Today we are going to explore activity number 4 in the Linear Expressions book by the great Martino. You will learn how to play the phrase, how to connect it with the rest of the activities, and the most important, you will learn how to adapt this phrase into different harmonic situations. Grab your guitar and let's dive into linear expressions. The phrase starts in the 10th fret, so Martino, as you know in the book, relates different inversions to these 5 areas of activity. So in this case we are dealing with this G minor inversion. Let's play it very slowly and try to hear every note. The first thing to observe is this position. G minor is here. And what we are doing is just starting on the 5th and we are playing kind of 5, 6, 7, 9. It's just a 1, 2, 3, 5 pattern, but starting on the 5th. And it's a very beautiful and a very useful one. You can take this concept of 5, 6, 7, 9 and try to apply into different positions. We are playing this in the 5th string, the chord, so we are going to move it to the 6th string and we are going to play this line starting on the 5th here. And so on. The most important thing, focus on the 5th. Whatever comes next. If you pay attention, the 7 that we are using is a major 7. You can argue that the G minor 7 chord doesn't have an F sharp sound, but the truth is that when we are moving to melodic minor scales, harmonic minor, and these different minor options, you can choose between minor 7, major 7, 6, natural 6. There's a lot of notes that are available to the improviser, and the only rule would be to play them on time. So you have to experiment with these sounds. And these Martino lines are a great way to put these new sounds under our fingers and on our ears. So get used to employ major 7th on minor chords. Another area I want you to notice is a chromatic passage from the 4th, blue note, and 5th. That Martino uses a lot in his areas of activity. For example, in activity number 1, you can hear. In this case, it's exactly the same idea. Once again, the major 7th is included. Take a look at how Martino uses major and minor 7 in the same idea. Minor 7th, 6th, major 7. Here you got a beautiful area with a melodic run that it's very worthy to include in your bag of tricks. I mean this part. Having this flexibility regarding to 6, major 7 and minor 7 allows you to play not only a minor chord with a minor 7th, but also with 6th and different voicings that you can apply fearless to your progression, your vamp, or just with having them in mind will open up a lot of possibilities. Now we are returning from the highest note of the activity to the lower one, And it's a cool trick having these 4 going back. So memorize it and apply to your own ideas. This little note here helps us to get the pentatonic way to the low register. Kind of a pedal note here. With these 5 points that we have previously discussed, you got a lot of ideas to work on. Starting with the 5, 6, 7, 9 approach. The next thing would be the chromatic blues area. Next one, major 7 versus minor 7. And finally, the comeback. And the ostinato. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Remember, you get the PDF with all the activities available for free on my website, so check them out. See you in the next chapter.